Welcome, awesome people! Are you ready to transform your income with the AI revolution? Online business is now more accessible than ever, thanks to powerful marketing tools that streamline tasks, maximize reach, and open new doors for passive income. AI-driven digital marketing strategies are helping entrepreneurs make money efficiently, from selling digital products and services to creating tailored content that converts. Remote work is booming, with data showing that more than 55% of professionals prefer flexible work-at-home options, and digital business offers just that. With the right tools, you can automate keyword research, competitor analysis, and targeted ads, letting you focus on growing and refining your brand. Marketing tools also provide real-time data, helping you optimize campaigns and predict trends, all while keeping costs low. Whether you're aiming to sell digital products, run a blog, or launch an affiliate program, there's never been a better time to dive into the world of online business and leverage AI for scalable success. So, check out the link in description for best tools to boost your income. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.